Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Now, an inspired spell of fast bowling of 4 for 14 from Alzari Joseph handed the West Indies a 31-run win over Zimbabwe in their Group B first-round clash at Hobart this morning to keep their chances of advancing to the Super 12 stage alive in the ICC T20 World Cup. Joseph's career-best figures saw all 4 of his victims being bowled to bundle out Zimbabwe for 122, chasing 154 for victory. The Antiguan received support from Jason Holder, 3 for 12, while there was a wicket apiece for Obed McCoy, Odin Smith and Akil Hussain. Electing to bat another middle-order slide saw the Windies post a modest 153 for 7 from their 20 overs. Johnson Charles top scored with 45, while Rovman Powell made 28 and Hussain 23. The win means the Windies will qualify for the Super 12 stage once they beat Ireland on Thursday night, following Ireland's 6-wicket win over Scotland in the group's other clash. All 4 teams are on 2 points. Now, the Sunshine Girls beat Antigua and Barbuda 80-23 to make it 4 wins from 4 at the America's Netball World Cup qualifiers at the National Indoor Sports Centre this morning. The girls will next be in action against Grenada this evening starting at 6:25 with live coverage on Hits 92 FM. The Jamaicans continued their assault on the rest of the Americas region after beating the Cayman Islands 81-27 on Tuesday night. They had quarterly scores of 24-8, 45-14 and 62-23 before the 54-goal margin of victory. Giselle Allison scored 54 goals from 59 attempts, while Amanda Pinkney chipped in with 21 from 27. Defending champions Harbourview kick off their season against newly promoted Chapelton Maroons on Monday, October 24 at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex at 5 p.m. when the new Jamaica Premier League season gets underway. The fixtures for the new season were released on Wednesday. That game will be a precursor to the final game of the round between former champions and hosts Arnett Gardens against 2021 champions Cavalier at 7:30. Last season's beaten finalists Dunbeholden get their season underway on Sunday's opening day in a 3 p.m. clash with Humble Lion, also at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex. The league kicks off at 1 p.m. on Sunday at Draxhall when Montego Bay United oppose Portmore United. That will be followed by Mount Pleasant hosting the newly promoted Falkland United, also at 3 p.m. Vere United, under their new coach Linville Dixon, are in Sunday's other clash with Tivoli Gardens at the Wembley Centre of Excellence, also in a 3 p.m. clash. And finally, Stephen Curry scored 33 points as the Golden State Warriors began the defense of their NBA title with a 123-109 win over the Los Angeles Lakers. 8-time All-Star Curry led the Warriors scoring while Andrew Wiggins scored 20 points. LeBron James finished with 31 points for the Lakers. Elsewhere, Jason Tatum and Jaylen Brown had 35 points apiece as the Boston Celtics opened the season with a 126-117 win over the Philadelphia 76ers. James Harden led the 76ers with 35 points, while Joel Embiid finished on 26. 12 games are slated for today. That's it for your Midday Sports Report. Shane?
Thanks, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.